Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to uninstall app on Windows 11 computer. So to uninstall app on Windows 11 computer, there are two methods we are going to see in this video. First method would be right click on the start menu and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to click on apps here, apps and features, and then search for the application name which you want to uninstall. In case I want to uninstall WinRAR, so this is WinRAR, and if I go here, click on this icon and then click on uninstall, it will ask for the confirmation and then click on uninstall again. Click on yes on the user account control permissions and then click on yes again to uninstall WinRAR from your computer. Now you can see WinRAR is not there on your computer. Let's see the second method. Second method would be to open appwiz.cpl. So this is add remove programs. We use appwiz.cpl shortcut key on run box and then it opens add remove programs or programs and features. I want to uninstall WinZip from this computer. Click on this WinZip and then click on uninstall. Click on yes again. So this would take some time. Click on yes for user account control permissions and then WinZip will be uninstalled. In a similar fashion, you have to uninstall the application from your computer with one of these methods and then your application would be uninstalled. Don't forget to restart your computer after the uninstallation so that the files would be removed from the computer. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.